Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to SMOI with Introduction to Value Chain. Still with me, Fida Nirmalanuka. Here are some terms that you need to comprehend. First, regarding value chain, competitive advantage, type of strategies, organizational structures, and basis of organizational structures. You can find those in Porter, Robbins, and Duft. You can see the very detailed explanations from each terms into specific reference. Okay, when we are talking about value creations, is basically the process of turning labor and resources into something that meets the needs of other. So it means add some value to our customers or intended target. Value chain is a series of consecutive steps that go into the creations of a finished product or service from its initial design to its arrival at the customer's door. So it means mapping out the necessary steps, okay, until it is handed to our customers. Competitive advantage refers to factors that allow a company to produce goods or services better or more cheaply than its rivals. When we are speaking about types of strategy, there are three types of corporate strategies: competitive and functional strategies. You can find them in Robbins' Management Any editions. The last one is organizational structures, is the formal arrangement of activities within the organizations. If you are willing to dig in more regarding Porter's value change, you can find it on its book called Competitive Advantage back in 1985, but it's still relevant up until today. So good luck with your reading. This is how it all connected. Once you are mapping value chain, and then you can decide what kind of activities and roles that is needed within an organizations, and you move on to the final steps is designing organizational structures. So all three are combined the harmonious way in order to be able to help the organizations to achieve its goals. Here is an example regarding Porter value chains. Okay, you can see that the activities are divided into support activities and primary activities in order to be able to gain margin or whatever the organization's aim. Okay, this examples was taken from Porter's Competitive Advantage back in 1985. You can find it in its book in page 47, figure 2.4. Okay, it is an examples of copier organizations. Okay, you can see that inbound logistic activities, operations, outbound marketing, and service as primary activities. You can find details activities within each sections, as well as supportive activities. You can find that within inbound logistic, in human resource management, there is no activities, whilst in technology development, you can find that design of automated system is one of the activities. So all of this aspect, all of the activities are supporting each other. I mean, it complements each other, so the organizations can gain its goals. So after you watch these presentations, you can now begin to read others materials put on your LMS, and then don't forget to take your team assignment to assess GLO 30. Okay, you can find the case, and you can tell the due date details on the LMS. Good luck then. See you next week.